Did you know that dragonflies have been around for over 300 million years? That's longer than dinosaurs. These incredible insects can fly in any direction, forward, backward, and even hover like a helicopter. With their 4 wings, they can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, making them some of the fastest flying insects on the planet. Their large, multifaceted eyes give them nearly 360-degree vision, allowing them to spot prey from a distance. Speaking of prey, dragonflies are expert hunters, consuming up to 100 mosquitoes a day. They can catch their meals mid-air with precision, thanks to their unique hunting techniques. And here's a fun fact. Dragonflies can live for several years underwater as nymphs before emerging as adults. So the next time you see one flitting around, remember, you're witnessing a creature that has mastered the art of flight and survival for millions of years.